Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable increase quote level to add indentation in the Mail app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, go down and then tap on Mail. Next, we scroll down. And in the composing section, tap on increase quote level. Then tap on the increase quote level toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When this is turned on, your phone can add a level of indentation when you forward or reply to a message. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.